CMS parents, you'll want to listen up to this. If you have a fifth grader or older, you have some very important decisions to make about your child's education.
It's all part of a new state law called the Parents' Bill of Rights. We've talked about it before, but it requires parents to give consent for their student to attend sex education classes starting in the fifth grade. WCNC's Charlotte-Mecklenburg Morrison joins us live from CMS headquarters with more details here. Shay, this is new for parents, so how are they reacting to hearing this?
Yeah, it is very new to them. Some folks are either opting in, opting out. Others don't even really know about it, and that's why the district is urging parents to go on its website. And sexual education courses vary based on what grade you're in and the appropriateness of them all. But the bottom line is, if you want your student to participate in it at all, you need to look at these documents.
On the main page of the CMS website, there's a link to learn everything you need to know about the Parents' Bill of Rights. And there's an action item parents need to fill out before September 11th.
We had to implement the policy changes because of state law now.
The student information form includes a few things: what name and pronouns you decide the school can call your student, if you want to opt in your child in fifth grade or above to reproductive health and safety education programs, and if you want to opt in to things like protected student information surveys.
That we're going to protect all students, no matter their gender, no matter how they identify themselves. We're going to make sure that they have the supports that are in place for them to feel safe, to feel protected, to have mental health support.
There are concerns from some parents about what it means for students to opt out of sexual education courses. Kids are automatically banned from those conversations in the fourth grade and under.
Does that mean that a child or a teacher can talk about a mother and a father? Can they talk about straight people? I don't think it's written that way, and I think that's going to cause a lot of confusion.
The Parents' Bill of Rights passed after Republican lawmakers overturned Democratic Governor Roy Cooper's veto. Democratic state lawmakers that represent families with kids who go to CMS say they'll continue to stand against the bill.
I think parents are seeing how ridiculous some of the laws are that the GOP majority is passing. Why do we have to have every parent in all of CMS fill out which pronouns and nicknames their student can go by?
Once the deadline passes to fill out the forms, there will be a better understanding if CMS parents are for or against these new policies.
And again, that deadline is coming up. It's September 11th. Even if you don't think this applies to your child, I just encourage everyone to go on CMS's website and look. There are some forms that likely apply to you. CMS says after the deadline, they're going to keep those forms up there, but it becomes a lot harder to figure out what classes your child is in or not in. So they want you to fill that out again before September 11th. Live from CMS headquarters, Charlotte-Mecklenburg Morrison, WCNC Charlotte.
A good reminder on a new policy. Shay, thank you so much.